Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on suppress highlights of your server notification settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here. Now here you will find your notifications, click on it. Here as you see you will find suppress highlights, click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on suppress highlights on your account on Discord on your notifications server settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.